Swerve serving with me. Raw from the trap. Pappy the menace. Smoke it lovely, nigga. On gang. Shit too easy.
My sugar falling.
3.5 in the wood, need a light. I'm pouring the drink, man, I gotta get higher. Higher. Some of the shit, man, I need a diaper. Serving them drugs, I'm a junkie supplier. Yeah, I'm hitting your block and I'm taking your cousin. Told you on game, shit could get ugly. Fuck with these bitches, don't got nothing for me. We rushing that dummy. He tryna slander, we rushing that dummy. Leaving no drug, they got me real clumsy. Pop a little perk, now I'm in her tummy. I'm a fat boy, my money real chubby. I stay with the gang cause them niggas get busy. Pour up at 8, now the swag getting fizzy. You niggas be rats, I ain't talking about me. She loving my sound, so she wanna get risky. I hop out the Sprinter van, no, not a mini. Real drink sip, go straight to my kidney. Drowning the drip when you step in my closet. Call on my zone, we making deposits. Poppin' 230, so high I'ma vomit. She give me the hell like she wearing a bond. I'm fucking your bitch and she tell me don't stop it. Walking the fifth and I'm cashing the check. Smoking on fumes got me high like a jet. You need a gang, no, we do it the best. No handout. You not my man, you ain't getting a handout. Bro, your bitch back, she ain't walking the same now. Bro, with my gang, I'ma get him a ring now. Smoking the 8 for the perp like coke. He said that he body, he gotta come show me. I keep this shit on my side when I'm lonely. I'm chasing the chicken, these niggas baloney. Caught him on Friday, I'm feeling like smoke. No bench, but you can get pressed. I'm the big Slimeball, big as it get. He catching these bullets like we playing fast. Like we playing cool like it came from Quebec. You want this work, it's an arm and a leg. I'm not respect if it ain't direct. Fuck all that talk and go get you a check, nigga. I been that nigga. I got the junkies walking like it's stolen. No referee got stripes from a fish. Rolling the twigs, I be rolling a missile. I get the pack from the plug, not the middle. I get the fucking pack from the middle, nigga. Fuck you talking about? DJ the fucking Slimeball, man. The producer. Know that.